Okay, here you go. If you want to clean the inside, you're talking about the inside in between these glasses, you got to take this out. Okay, simply unscrew this. Okay, when you lose two sides, okay, it goes under it. Okay, all right, so let's see what's inside. Okay, now you can see that the glass is in the inside. You can clean it from here, and if it's dirty from this side, you can clean it simply, very easy. So you don't have to take it all apart. Just simply unscrew this and good to go. Okay, you spray a dishwasher or something, sit for whatever minutes, 10 minutes, something. Or you can use strong material, chemicals like easy off, something. Alright, whatever you want to use. Okay, and then you scrub with the steel wool. 0000 gray. Gray 0000. Okay, you won't harm the surface of glass or anything. The result is perfect. Okay, it's not super clean because it's not long time enough, but this is the way to clean it. Okay, thank you very much.